Hello everyone, my name is Aisha Abba. I'm a YouTuber based in Maiduguri, Nigeria. If you are just stopping by for the first time, please like, subscribe, share. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for staying with me. In today's video, I'll be showing you different ingredients used in making Turarenwuta and Khumra. So I have some oils, some dry ingredients, and some woods here. So first of all, I'll be showing you branded and unbranded perfumes or perfume oil used in making Turarenwuta. So the first unbranded oil is this oil here, and then the second one is this one here. So I have branded oils here. These are the Surati, Zamzam, Almas, and we have different types, but these are the good ones used in making Turarenwuta. So with the binders and addictive too, these are the most crystals, that's Mersuk in Hausa. They are very important when making Turarenwuta. You need to add most crystals. Then here is frankincense, which is called Lubban in Hausa. It's very important too in making Turarenwuta, but this is not added in Khumra perfume. Then here I have Onicha. This is called Farche in Hausa, Dufra in Arabic, and then Prami in Kanuri. So this is not processed yet, but when you add this to your Turarenwuta, it gives it a very unique scent. And then here I have my Jawi, which is called ambergris in English. This is how it looks like. It's added in Turarenwuta. It prevents your perfume from evaporating. That's why it's added to Turarenwuta. So I have, this is Eau de Cologne. This is Scenario. You can use this in making your Khumra perfume. We use this as Khumra base, and then it's added to incense wood when making Turarenwuta. So another unbranded perfume here is this shaker oil here. It gives Turarenwuta a very shiny and beautiful look when added, but it's not compulsory to add this, but it just gives it that beautiful look. And then here is amber. We call it amber in Hausa, amber in English too, but Janani, you can call it Janani too. It comes in this color, and then it comes in white too. This is the brown amber. Here I have sandal powder. This is sandal powder. It's very important too in making different kind of incense. It has a very nice unique scent. It's one of the #1 woods used in making Turarenwuta. Here is a Khumra I made using these ingredients I just mentioned. You can check my previous videos to learn how to make this Dufur Khumra. I will drop the link in the description box. And then this is Sandal Bakhoor balls too, which I made using this sandal powder, this oil, and then these dry ingredients with some unbranded perfume. It has a very nice scent, and I have a video of that in my channel. You can check I'll drop the link to the video in my description box. For best results, use local coal in burning your Turarenwuta, but in this video I showed you quick coal because it's readily available and easy to use. So you add your quick coal and then your Turarenwuta to your burner if you have any, and then when you add it to your burner or Cusco, like we call it in Hausa, just keep it in a corner of your room, and then the scent will diffuse into the room, into the atmosphere of the room, and then you have your room scenting nice. So that's just a simple way in burning your incense Turarenwuta. So that's the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and then if you have any questions, you can drop it in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer them. See you in my next one. Bye.